Looks like I'm the first one at the trailhead. So today is my last day in Mount Rainier National Park, which is arguably my favorite park in the entire United States. This place is just so beautiful. I love it here. Yesterday I did the Skyline Trail, which was super beautiful and super cool, but I did get a little bit lost doing a route that I was not supposed to do, that I was advised not to do, that I did anyway. We did make it out, but not without my shoes getting super wet. So right now we're hiking in the lawnmower 941s. I really need to be in town to do some errands, but I just wanted one last morning in the park, and right now I have the whole trail to myself, so I'm really excited. And yeah, that's pretty much the vibe for today. The higher I climb, the mistier it gets, so I don't know if I'll be able to see anything when I get to the top, but it should still be pretty cool. This hike is gorgeous. I guess if we're gonna get one pair of shoes wet, we might as well get all of them wet, right? Well, so I think that this is it for me. There's more that way, and there's like a peak you can climb over there, but coming across here, it's all loose dirt, and I already almost fell down that. And I could get up there, but it's super snowy. Man, this view would be so wild if this fog was clear. But yeah, no, I'm not gonna try to get up any higher. I'm gonna play it safe because I learned my lesson from yesterday. So I guess I'll just, yeah, that's it. That was really pretty. Quite gorgeous, quite gorgeous. You gave me crowns. I thought it was over. Okay, so this and all of these broken shavings here, it smells amazing. It's just straight up Christmas tree. Oh my god. And it's wet, and I don't know, all the smell is activated. Oh god. This is gonna be my emotional support stick for the hike. I can't wake up. Wake me up, baby. Send me, come and me, I can't bring him with me, so I'm gonna leave him over here. Thank you, emotional support stick. All right, let's get in the car. That was it. That was fun. It was really pretty. And I'm kind of a little bit spiteful because it cleared up when I was about 3/4 of the way down, and now it's beautiful, and you could probably see for miles up at the top of that mountain. But it was still like a really cool vibe all on its own, and I came across a bunch of people coming down, so I'm glad that I had it to myself. But yeah, we're gonna go take a shower and do some laundry and stuff. They didn't have any bags. Shower. Laundry time. It is time for laundry. Laundry time. It is time for laundry. I'm just having some lentil soup with rice. There's really not a whole lot of places for me to park overnight that I like nearby, so I'm just gonna stay here tonight. I've stayed here before. I guess I'll see you in the morning. Hi. May I have a hot latte, please? A 12 ounce? Do you have salted caramel flavoring? Of course. Can I have one pump of that? Yeah. No.
I'll get that right out for you.
Thank you.
Of course. And is someone okay with that?
Yeah, no, you're good.
Okay,
yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Of course.
Thank you. Bye-bye. this morning a little bit late. I was really tired, and I got myself a hot coffee. I haven't had a hot coffee in about a week. I've been drinking room temperature instant sludge for that amount of time. I haven't even been warming up the water because I'm that lazy. And I've just been getting up super early and going on so many hikes. So this is a real treat, and I'm very excited. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. All right, we just arrived at the trailhead. We're gonna do this hike. Hike time. Hike time. They weren't lying about this being steep. Oh my lord. These flowers are cool. Oh, and they smell nice too. They smell kind of like lilac. Oh my god. I miss New York lilacs. They don't grow out here like they do in New York. Lilacs get huge in New York, and I miss them. Yay, we made it. Woo. Oh, pretty hike. Pretty hike. Oh. I found kind of a spot. It doesn't really have a beach, but it has some rocks for me to sit on. So that's cool. Yeah, we're gonna go down there. This water is so delicious and refreshing. Look at these mountains. It is about 5 p.m. I'm gonna get out of here and start looking for a place to sleep because I don't know where I'm sleeping tonight. But thank you so much for coming with me. This has been such a beautiful day. Oh, I'm still just like staring at this water. Oh God, it's been so lovely. Thank you for coming with me. Please take care, stay safe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.